Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, April the 29th, 2020, and I am glad that you are with me this morning. I want to invite everyone to come to our Zoom meeting today. It is at 11 o'clock, not 12:30, but it is at 11 o'clock today. Normally they will continue at 12:30, but today's Zoom meeting is at 11 o'clock. I also want to encourage you to vote for our next Read Aloud. I posted on Facebook yesterday. You should be able to scroll down and see it, a voting poll where you can vote on one of the next three books that I wanted to do as a class Read Aloud. We have Charlotte's Web, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, or The Twits as choices. There are three of them, and I would like for your votes to be in by Friday. Actually, let's see. Actually, I would like your votes to be in by Thursday so that I can announce the next book on Friday in our morning meeting. So you have today, you can vote. You have tomorrow, you can vote. And then on Friday morning, I will announce the winner. Okay. So please check out the poll on Facebook. I posted it yesterday so that you can vote for the next Read Aloud. Okay, only vote on one book. Okay, and you have three to choose from: Charlotte's Web, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and The Twits. Other than that, we have a new learning packet that is out. I've sent out the link for that. You can also pick it up at the school from 10:30 to 12:30 today through the end of the week. We are on day 21 in the new packet, so I will be referencing that and posting it all here on Facebook. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and look for a lot of you to join us at 11 o'clock on the Zoom meeting. Have a good day, guys. Bye.